Hello students, welcome to Hindi Pachala Online. Today's video is about Rashtrabhasha Paper 2 Suchna Ke Anusar. It is going to come in question number 9. We'll have two options with no choices, so both the questions have to be attempted. It is a 5 marks question. So watch this video till the end to avoid any common mistakes and to get a step-by-step explanation to score full marks. Definitely this video is going to be very helpful, so please like, share and subscribe this video to all your friends and classmates. Thank you students. So let's begin without wasting any time. One we have is सूचना के अनुसार बदलना means change according to the instructions. So the first one we have is मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. I am very happy. खुश के बदले खुशी का प्रयोग means use happiness instead of happy. They're asking us to use happiness instead of happy. And we are changing it to मुझे बहुत खुशी है. मुझे बहुत खुशी है. As we know, whenever we are changing in Hindi, मैं will become मुझसे or मुझे, मैं will become मुझे. And whenever we are having मैं in Hindi, our sentence will end with whenever we are having मैं in Hindi, our sentence will end with who. So like always with I, we have am, I am, like that. In Hindi, will always end with मैं, will always end with who. So here मैं will become मुझे बहुत खुश will become खुश will become खुशी. मुझे बहुत खुशी है. Okay. I am happy. I have a lot of happiness. One we have is यह खबर सुनकर शेखर को दुख हुआ. So hearing this news, Shekhar felt sad or Shekhar felt sorry. So दुख के बदले दुखी का प्रयोग. So use दुखी instead of dukh. So here hearing this news, Shekhar became sad. So here we have not changed anything. Only Shekhar ko dukh. We have removed this ko and it has become Shekhar dukhi हुआ. यह खबर सुनकर शेखर को दुख हुआ. यह खबर सुनकर शेखर दुखी हुआ. So just को we have removed here. Okay, third one we have is बच्चा भूखा है. Child is hungry. So भूखा के बदले भूख का प्रयोग. So use भूख instead of भूखा. So what we have done? वह has become उस बच्चे को भूख लगी है. बच्चे को भूख लगी है. So after बच्चा we have added बच्चे को भूख लगी है. वह has become उस. So that child feels hunger. The meaning is same. The child is hungry. In this sentence, the child is hungry. That child feels hunger. The child is hungry. Use of food instead of ka. That child feels hunger. Now fourth one. मुझे बहुत प्यास लगी है. I am very thirsty. प्यास के बदले प्यासा का प्रयोग. So use प्यास instead of प्यासा. मैं बहुत प्यासा हूँ. Now in the first sentence that we saw, we converted मैं to मुझे. Now here मुझे will become मैं and है will become हूँ. As I told you, है will become हूँ. So मुझे बहुत प्यास लगी है. मैं बहुत प्यासा हूँ. लगी है will be removed. Fifth one we have is राम राज्य में सब लोग सुखी थे. सुखी के बदले सुख का प्रयोग. So use सुखी instead of सुख. So in Ram Rajya, all people were happy. In Ram Rajya, all people were happy. So we have to use Sukhi instead of Sukh. So Ram Rajya में सब लोगों को सुख था. राम राज्य में सब लोगों को सुख था. लोग सुखी has become लोगों को सुख था. Okay. So in Ram Rajya, all people had happiness. You can see the meanings also. Now sixth one, अध्यापक के आते ही छात्र उठ खड़े हुए. अध्यापक के आते ही छात्र उठ खड़े हुए. So here what they are asking is जो ही त्यों ही क्या प्रयोग करो. So जो ही त्यों ही means as soon as. As soon as. So जो ही अध्यापक आए, as soon as the teacher came, त्यों ही छात्र उठ खड़े हुए. Then the students stood up. As soon as the teacher came in, the students stood up. So जो ही means as soon as, त्यों ही means then. As soon as the teacher came in, the students stood up. Okay. See the meaning. You can see the meanings also. As soon as the teacher came, the students stood up. Use of juhi tohi. As soon as the teacher came, immediately the students stood up. So tyohi is immediately. Seventh one is मैंने उसे पैसा नहीं दिया क्योंकि मेरे पास नहीं था. ओके, क्योंकि के बदले इसलिए का प्रयोग करो. क्योंकि means because and इसलिए means that's why. That's why. So I did not give him money because I did not had the money. So क्योंकि के बदले इसलिए मेरे पास पैसा नहीं था. I did not had money. That's why I did not give him. I did not have money. That's why I did not give him. Okay, so see the English meaning, students. I did not give him money because I did not have money. So instead of इसलिए, we have used इसलिए instead of क्योंकि. I did not have money, therefore I did not give. The eighth one, तुमने किताब दी, वह बहुत अच्छी थी. तो वह का प्रयोग. Okay, so you gave a book, it was very good. So the book that you gave was very good. तुमने जो किताब दी, that book, जो is here is that book which you gave was very good. वह बहुत अच्छी थी. So जो is added here. तुमने जो किताब दी वह बहुत अच्छी थी. Okay, see the you gave a book, it was good, it was very good. So जो and the book that you gave, that was very good. Start the ninth one. वर्षा के समय किसान खुश होते हैं. So farmers are happy at the time of the rain. जब तब का प्रयोग. जब तब means when then. जब वर्षा होती है, when it rains, when rain happens, तब किसान खुश होते हैं. Then farmers are happy. Okay. पुलिस ने उसका नाम पूछा, उसने नहीं बताया. So police asked his name, he did not tell. पूछने पर भी. Use of even after asking. पूछने पर भी means even after asking. So पुलिस के पूछने पर भी, even after asking by the police, उसने नाम नहीं बताया. He did not tell his name. See the meanings? With this, we come to the end of Sushna Ke Anusar part 1. So do not forget to watch the part 2 of Sushna Ke Anusar. The link will be shared in the description. And please subscribe and share this channel to all your friends and classmates as much as you can. Thank you, friends. Bye.